Alright, dudes. Gonna check out something new today. One World Zero Waste hooked it up. Got this little metabolized blend of herbs and a good morning blend of herbs, right? So, word on the streets is from these cool hippies is that this is gonna replace my coffee addiction. So I'm gonna try to give this a little whirl. Now I'm sure you're asking, like, Captain Planet, what's in it? You know, because I'm seeing all kinds of leaves and roots and even like nuts and berries and all kinds of wild stuff. But the answer is, I don't know. I have no idea what's in this. And truth be told, I don't want to know. At least not yet. And the reason why is because if I know what's in here and I'm like, oh yeah, goji berry's going to have a ton of energy, like it's kind of a placebo and I'm going to psych myself out a little bit. Like when I try something new, I'm going to add a little bit of this metabolize too. Speed up my metabolism. Help old Captain Planet lose a little bit of weighty weight, you know what I'm saying? But the reason why I don't really like to know what's in here at first is because I don't want to psych myself out. Like, I want to know if this is actually going to work or not. And if I don't know what's in there, then, hey, better to it. So now I'm going to add my water, right? This is just a little drip system here. It's not crazy rocket science or anything. It just drips down. This is actually my first sustainable cup. I've had, like, over a decade now, a GSI Outdoors coffee cup. It's like the outdoorsmen, you know, the campers and the trail hikers, you know, we've been sustainable long before sustainability was a cool thing on the market word, you know, because you have to be sustainable when you live that kind of a lifestyle. You know, I don't know if I'm going to be by a civilization to get some coffee, so I'm the kind of guy that'll count on a couple flint rocks to start a fire and heat up some water that I towed along. And we have ourselves a nice little cocktail. Now let's take a look here inside. Okay, we got plenty of room. It smells delicious, I'm not gonna lie. I wish you guys could smell. You guys are wondering what this is. David Wolf of Ocean Habitats gifted me a couple of chayotes, and I think that's how you say it right. It's like a Latin squash. Now I forgot about them in the truck and went to Kansas. And this is what happens if you forget about some food you leave in your truck in Florida. It literally starts growing. So now instead of eating this smooth chayote, I'm going to end up growing it. And same thing with the rough chayote over here. It's pretty cool looking. Spiky little guy. You can see it's already got a little growth coming out of there. So I'm actually just going to plant these. I'm moving back over to the west coast of Florida. Over at Port Charlotte. And I'm going to plant them bad boys over there with my homies Elizabeth and Pete, who I'm staying with. A couple awesome people. But yeah, dudes, I'm going to let you know what I think of this little cocktail. Give it a try. And we're going to go from there. And if the stuff really works, then, hey, I'm going to find out exactly what's in here so I can tell people what it is. You know, but for right now, we're going to keep it a bit of a guessing game. And yes, those are cans of water. If your business needs some, hit me up. I've got a whole arsenal of wicked supplies, artificial reefs, you name it. Or like environmentally friendly products, you name it. They're everywhere. We've got a lot of cleaning to do after Kansas, though. Whew.